The day you're born, the journey starts on this, the train of life. The journey may be difficult with times of stress and strife. You'll stop at many stations, the train may groan and creak. You may find views of happiness, some views though could prove bleak. There will be times when you will reach the station known as love, a station full of happiness sent by a force above. What matters though is how you act when you reach station 2. Returning love, the station's called, and all is up to you. On the journey you will see new passengers arrive. They also board the train of life like you, they are alive. With love and understanding, the journey will be great. Your train must take another course, avoiding station hate. But some are oh so short. The owner of that train of life will write a full report. And at that final station, a special treat's in store. For you'll meet other people who rode the train before. And the journey you will see new passengers arrive. They also board the train like you, they are alive. With love and understanding, the journey will be great. Your train must take another course, avoiding station hate.